Hello students. Children, we have read the poem Sea Song yesterday, and today we will find out the answers of the questions and will solve the exercise. Okay, let's read first what is the question. Question number 1 is, where did the child find the seashell? बच्चे को जो सी शेल है वो कहाँ पर मिला था? चिल्ड्रन, इट इज क्लियर in these lines. I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. So the answer will be, the child found the seashell on the sand. बच्चे को सी शेल रेत पर पड़ा हुआ मिला था. ओके, लेट्स रीड द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. What did the child do with the shell? बच्चे ने उस शेल का क्या किया? And the answer is, read these lines. I picked it up and took it at home. So the answer will be, the child took the shell at home. बच्चा इस शेल को घर पर ले गया. ओके, नाउ द थर्ड इज, व्हाट डिड द चाइल्ड हियर? बच्चे ने उस शेल में से क्या सुना? एंड द आंसर विल बी, द चाइल्ड हर्ड अ स्वीट सॉन्ग. बच्चे ने बहुत ही सॉफ्ट और स्वीट गाना सुना. ओके बेटा, do you understand the answers? Now let's do the exercise. Question number 1 is, pick the rhyming words from this box and pair them in the spaces below. The first one has been done for you. Look here, found, sound. बेटा राइमिंग वर्ड आपको पता भी है, पहले भी बताया जा चुका है कि राइमिंग वर्ड जो होते हैं वो सेम साउंडिंग वर्ड होते हैं. ओके, हियर वर्ड्स आर गिवन एंड देयर सेम साउंड्स आर आल्सो गिवन. यू हैव टू पेयर देम. ओके, फर्स्ट वन इज फाउंड, साउंड. देन कोल्ड, bold. Took, look. Sand, hand. Mummy, tummy. Okay, make the pairs like this. Okay, and the next is, fill in the blanks with the opposite words, choosing from the box below. The first one is done for you. Beta, opposite words are given here and you have to choose the opposite words from the box. These are the opposite words for the given words. Okay, as found, lost. पाया, खोया. Hard, soft. Inside, outside. Took, gave. लिया, दिया. Big, small. Came, went. आया, गया. Okay, now turn the page. Pick, drop. Pick means उठाना और छोड़ना. Okay, true, false. Curly, straight. Cold, hot. Sweet, sour. Tall, short. Okay, understand beta? Learn the opposite words. Okay, read it twice. Now Read these lines. Let's read these lines. The sea is big. It is very, very big. You cannot see the other side of the sea. You can cross the sea in a ship, but you must go for many, many days. Now, choose the right words. Okay, beta, in bracket, 2 words are given and you have to choose one. Let's read the sentence. The sea is very, very big. You cannot see the other side. You cannot cross the sea. You can cross it in a ship. Okay. This is the book exercise, beta. Now let's have a look. Yes, beta. This is your unit 4. You will write on the page number 16. Write the page number also. Unit 4, poem Sea Song. On this page, you have to draw the peak of a shell. ओके बेटा, आप शेल की पिक्चर बनाएंगे बेटा. यहाँ पर पिक्चर ड्रॉ करेंगे. बहुत इजी है. ओके, आप जैसे भी बनाएंगे वो एक्सेप्टेड होगी. ठीक है, अपने आप कोशिश कीजिए, जैसा बनाए वैसा बना सकते हैं आप. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द न्यू वर्ड्स and their meanings. Write the page number and the serial number. Okay beta. Number 1 is shell, means hard cover. Held, to keep. Surprised, shocked. Curly, arranged in curls. Clear means easy to understand. Picked means gathered. Cold means chill. Okay. Now on the next line you will write question and answers. Question number 1 is, where did the child find the seashell? And the answer is, the child found the seashell on the sand. Leave the next line blank beta. After writing the answer of the first question, leave the next line. Okay. Question number 2, what did the child do with the shell? Then the answer is, the child took it at home. Question number 3, what did the child hear? The child heard a sweet song from the shell. Okay beta, do you understand? I hope you understand the exercise and the question answers and the new words. So that's all for the day. Read the exercise and learn the word meaning and question answers. Okay, that's all for the day. Goodbye.